Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. It's a nice one for intro. If you have a door things and you see it's perfectly looking maniac, let's try to create that. At first we need this picture. Okay, we put the picture. The text is not something impressive, just the text, but for making it better visible, it's better to format the text, and in the format shape you can give it a fill of white with a little transparency. It's up to you. I'm okay with that kind. Now we copy that. What we do here is that we send this text out and increase it to the door goes out, then bring it in the middle. You can bring it in the middle by align it center, align it middle, and just set the transition to morph and let the magic happen. You see, it looked perfectly beautiful. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.